So hey you guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita. If you're a newcomer, welcome. If you're a subscriber, welcome back. And today I'm going to be trying on the Hailey wig in the color Petal Pink. And it's from Freetress. So if that's what you're looking to watch, keep watching. Alright you guys, so I have my little ball cap on. And this is the wig. So just looking at it, it doesn't actually have any clips. There's no clips. So hopefully that's not an issue. I don't think it is with the other one that I wore. So they do have two bands that you can make it tighter or looser or whatever. I don't really mess with that, but this should be big head friendly. Might be a little tight though, but I'm gonna try it on. It's always hard putting on these very, very short wigs. It's like putting on a swim cap. Oh, okay. Let me just put this on correctly. Oh, you see my edges there. Wow. Okay, I really love this. You guys, I am not like a color person whatsoever, and I am like really liking this wig. So it's tight enough that you don't need any combs. I like it. So again, I own the black version of this, and the black version is super cute. You guys see that? Do you guys see that? That's the one con. Baby, she is a shedder. She sheds. She's shedding a lot actually. I really like this. Again, this is just straight out of the bag. I didn't like make it look any, some people put stuff on it to make it look less shiny because it is synthetic. But this is straight out the bag. And with these short ones, I like to do a little V right in the middle. Obviously, I won't be wearing this wig out like, I'm not gonna wear it out. I mean, I'm not gonna be like, obviously, I wouldn't be wearing this wig every day. So this is like a going out wig. This is like I got a function to attend, and people need to see me. Oh, I'm really enjoying this wig. The one thing I do, you always have to make sure that your hairline is tucked in. You just spread the hairs like that. And like, are you an ear out type of girl? Is that what you like to do? Do you like to have the ear out? Or do you like to have it covered? I think I'm an ear out type of girl. I don't really like it covered. I'd have to see. Look, screen cap, come on. You have to like assume these personalities. Like, what kind of pictures are you gonna be taking in this wig? Like, this is my go-to. Sultry. The one thing I do, because the part meets a little off-center, so maybe you can like take some heat and like flatten it out. Like, that's the one thing I don't like. Sometimes it gets a little domey. You gotta push it out. So like, maybe put a curler, just rub it over this part. But baby, I'm feeling this wig. What's up? What's up, y'all? What's up? What's good? You got like assume a personality with this. Like, this is not Hailey. I don't even know why they call this wig Hailey. This is definitely this right here. This is a Portia. I'm Portia. I'm not. My name ain't Rita. My name is Portia. Hey y'all, my name is Portia. We have a defined job too. I'm still working on my job. I'm still trying to drop some weight. But if you had a defined jaw, you hit that like, come on, y'all. I really love this wig. But yeah, so I like just styling this wig, like kind of like into like a little messy V. Some people do like this, like a little, and it's like really pixie, but like, why would you do this?
Why would you do this?
Like, why would you want to look like this? A bowl cut? Is that what you was going for? A bowl cut? A mushroom cut? A mushroom bowl? Whatever it's called. Mushroom head? I don't know what it's called. Like, when people do that, I'm very confused. Like, I don't like that. Why would you do that? This is like spice. You feel me? You feel me? Don't do that. Do this. Don't do that. Do this, okay? But I am liking it. I hope you guys are liking it too. And honestly, it doesn't matter because I like it. Okay, this wig was $5. Come on, y'all. Not really feeling it. Not really. Nah. We're gonna do that. We're gonna take that out. You couldn't beat this deal with a stick. $5. Let's see. Oh yeah, you gotta rock it with the clear joints. I'm looking. Gotta be careful because you'll see your own hairline. Y'all not frozen. I'm just posting some pictures. I'm loving it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. McDonald's. I'm loving it. I love this wig. I love it so much. It's in Petal Pink and I love it. It's definitely for one of those spicy nights out. Tell me what you guys think. Honestly, it really doesn't matter because I love it. It was $5 and I'm gonna keep it. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a blessed and safe day. Pose. Do y'all remember Mega Man, the like video game character? Kind of getting Mega Man feels, but I love it nonetheless.